If you love a warm, freshly baked chocolate chip cookie, then you are going to love this recipe. The sweet glaze, the soft cake, and the perfect amount of melted chocolate in each bite. This cake is amazing and so easy to make. Here's what you'll need. Adding icing is optional, so feel free to leave it out. I really hope you give this one a try. Let me know in the comments if you do. Thanks for watching.